Boom, boom, boom! Shakalaka! Welcome! Hey guys, welcome to 678 Cars. Today I'm in 2005 VW Golf, looking at replacing the standard stereo head unit. This one I'm actually just testing with another model. Now I'm not sure if it fits exactly, but I'm gonna video the thing on how to take out the current one and put the new one in. So here we go. Remove the dash mat and you're done. I wish. Take this cover off and it goes to Torx screws, which VW is famous for. Got to remove first. That just lifts up. You might have to just keep unscrewing sometimes to get it right off. Go back to the other one. Make sure they're out all the way. That's it. For the feels. There we go. One screw there. There's about, what is there, one... We've got one screw there. They're all up. They're all Torx screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 4 that hold the head unit in. So is that 9 if I went to year 10 maths? Doesn't matter if you mix the screws up, they're all the same. So now we can pull this up and off. So it feels like you're breaking things, and just be careful, you can. Anything with the interior is always a chance of breaking it, and I've done enough breaking in my life. You can leave that sitting up there, balancing, and apologise, bear with me, all that stuff. I'm not a pro. I want to be. Gammon! Okay, this one, toe. that just comes off. I hope you can see this. That just comes off like that. Let's do all this work. I should say it's pretty straightforward actually. I love playing with cars. Love playing. I don't know much, but you know, I'll play with whatever I can. You gotta have the right tools, obviously. It's always can be a problem. Run into something, and then you don't have a tool, and then things take longer. So that's 4 out. You can just pull the head unit out. There. The antenna cable, the main cable. At the bottom, they have a get into undo these there and there. So that's what you have to press down. Can you see that? There. Press that down to unplug. Now they're color coded, so you can't get them wrong when you plug that in. And that's you take a head unit out of a VW Golf 2005 Mk5. Replace it, do it in reverse, I guess. Don't lose any of the nuts. And that's it. Good night. Hey guys, just a helpful hint. With this exercise, I was going to install the RCD 510, what you see on your screen, which has Bluetooth, color screen, potential has sat nav, and just better system all around. Looks nicer with the piano black finish as well. But it isn't compatible with the Mark V Golf. It may be with the GTi, but not with this Trendline Golf, the standard one. So just a helpful hint, just to let you know, because it drains the battery in the car. So after 24 hours, you basically got no battery. So pointless buying these units for your Mark V Trendline or Comfortline models. Okay, thanks guys. Please subscribe, as always.